Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Git and Vscode are installed and updated. Once done, authenticate with GitHub using SSH or HTTPS so pulls and pushes won't fail. Next, clone the repository directly in Vscode or via terminal with git clone repo. You do this now to bring code locally. It lets you run and debug immediately. Make sure Vscode has the Git extension enabled, and the folder is opened before moving to dependency installation. You now install project dependencies using the integrated terminal so the environment matches the repo. For Node, run npm install. For Python, use pip install r requirements. txt. For other languages, use their package manager. Once dependencies finish, select the correct interpreter or runtime in Vscode and configure environment variables or env-file. This step ensures code runs as intended. If there are build tasks or pre-launch setups, configure them in launch. JSON so debugging and run tasks are automatic. You're ready to run and debug. Use the Run and Debug panel or invoke start scripts from the terminal to launch the app. Set breakpoints where you need to inspect behavior, then step through with F5 to start, F10 to step over, and F11 to step into functions. If the app fails, inspect terminal output and extension logs. Make sure dependency versions match package manifests. One key troubleshooting tip: clear node modules or venv and reinstall if mysterious module errors persist. This often fixes version mismatches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.